guys, so welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, I'm working on the transmission air filter. I replaced the air intake side. Now I'm doing the transmission side, putting in the K&N filter. So very simple job. Again, like you guys have seen, you have 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and one more being 4. And there's one at the very bottom down here. It's at the very bottom. There it goes. I might decide to get to it, I might not. It's a bit challenging sometimes to get to it, so I might just try to pull it out without replacing that. And as you can see, she's real dirty. This is after 6,000 miles, so 6,000, I don't know, 800 miles I have on the Ryker right now, and I haven't changed it yet, so it is definitely time. Does it, a very simple change, a very easy upgrade for your K&N Ryker. So thank you for sticking around. Thanks for watching. You guys know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. Link in the bio to the product. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Ryker fam. Tap in.